and they're pointing in the direction where we want to go today, which is down that way. But before we go any further, I just want to take note of this thing in front of me. As you can see, we've got a wooden sculpture, piece of artwork representing one of the many fossils of ancient animals that lived here millions of years ago. I'll be honest, I always enjoy stuff like this, especially if, like now, it's of fossilized life from a long time ago. Absolutely good stuff. And if you come over here, as you'll see, also to take note of, here are various signposts pointing in the direction of various woodland footpaths to take note of. For example, we've got the Shropshire Way main route, the Coronation Walk, Telford 2023, and various other footpaths, which I'll have to take note of and try to explore in future videos at some point. I'll have to remember all that. In the meantime, let's head up this way. And as you can see on the gateway here in front of me, we've got the same thing again, various signposts for different footpaths along different woodland walks. So yeah, I'm gonna, like I just said, I'm gonna have to remember to make the time to explore some of these different paths in future videos. In the meantime, let's carry on. One of the first things you'll notice is this signpost here. Welcome to the Ercall. Let's see. The Ercall is one of the largest remaining sessile oak